Hey guys, Merry Christmas. My name is Gauri and I'm going to decorate my kitchen with some DIYs and this window painting. Let's see how am I going to do it. So that's my kitchen and this is the window that we have. The glass is so big so I just thought to paint it. So I am using acrylic colors. They are very friendly and I am very comfortable with acrylic colors. The best part of them is that they dry so fast. So here I am just using a normal brush. I'm just dabbing my brush here so that it will look like a thread where I'm going to going to paint my snowflakes and stars ornaments. Now I am using a thin brush to paint the snowflake. I'm making a very simple design, but yes, it looks so pretty. You can paint whatever you like on your window glasses if they are so big, and not only for Christmas but for whole winter season. Now I am painting some Christmas trees at the bottom of the window, and to complete the whole look. One more good thing about these colors are they are removable, and whenever you want to take them off, you just have to take a tissue paper or a wet towel and you can wipe them off easily. It is almost done. Now I have to put some fairy lights over here. So I'll do it in the morning. And I'm using sellotape, duct tape to stick these lights. Well, Christmas is incomplete without these garlands. So yes, I am placing them here. Then this pretty frame that I have bought from Banjara Market, Gurgaon, and this extension board, because yes, I am using two fairy lights. I have this mini Christmas tree which I use for my kitchen, and I have placed it in a bucket. Now decorating the Christmas tree with some metal ornaments, and then yes, with some DIYs. Aha, yay, Christmas vibes. That's a 3D paper star that I have made, and I'll show you the tutorial as well. It's very simple to make. It's done, and now I'm using it on my Christmas tree. They are some more DIYs that I have made for Christmas, and the tutorial of everything is available on my channel. These cutie pies mini elves are DIYs, and again the tutorial is available on my channel. One more DIY, macrame gnome. I have painted this spatula as well. Again, I am using Fevicryl acrylic colors. Now for the shells, I have this pretty white kettle that I am going to paint with acrylic color. Now I have this beautiful mug, and where I'm using these red berries kind of beads and some greenery. And for the second shelf, I have this hand painted planter, this paper Christmas tree, and one more metal basket or bucket for battery operated lights. So I am all Christmas ready. I hope you all have done your preparations and you all have started enjoying this beautiful festival. Stay happy, stay healthy, take care. Merry Christmas. Bye bye.